Hello there. Welcome to Pickcel Learning Hub. My name is Arya and I am a Pickcel product specialist. In today's session, I will be showing you how to schedule a composition. The scheduling feature comes in handy when you have to place specific content on your screen for a specific date or time period. If you schedule your content beforehand, then you don't need to manually change the content every time. It will automatically switch and play at the designated time. Makes your job a lot easier, doesn't it? Well then, let's get started with it. First, log into your Pickcel account and head straight to the scheduling module within the Pickcel console. Do you see this plus button? Simply click here and it will take you to the scheduler. As you can see, this page shows a calendar. You can change the scope of the calendar from here. In the monthly calendar, you can see all the dates in a particular month. You can change the months like this. Now, if you wish to return to the current date, simply click on the option here that says Today, and you will be back where you started. Similarly, in the daily view, you will be shown a single day's timetable. And as for the weekly calendar, it looks something like this. Today is the 24th of June. And as you can see, the current date is highlighted for your convenience. On your left, you can also find the time log. Now let's say you are the manager of a restaurant and you need to schedule a breakfast menu on the 25th of June, from 8:30 a.m. to 11 a.m. All you have to do is bring your cursor here. Then, click and drag from 8 a.m. and release it around 11 a.m. Oh, and don't bother too much about the exact positioning of the cursor, a rough selection will be just enough. You can always adjust your exact time frame by typing in on these start time and end time fields. So, let's change the scheduling time as per the requirement. Okay, now we are left with just one more step. We have to select our composition. You should always have your composition ready before scheduling it on a screen. I will choose this one here. Now, just click on Assign. And there you go. Your breakfast menu has been scheduled. As you can see, on the right side, all the details of your schedule are displayed. Under Associated Composition, it says 1. That means a single composition has been scheduled. You can click here and see the name of the composition. Let me quickly show you with another example. How about we schedule a lunch menu for the time 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. I'll repeat the same process. Assign. See? Your new schedule is also added to the calendar. If you wish to edit or delete your schedule, you can simply click on this zone and you will get the options. These schedules are just for a single day. Now let me show you how you can schedule your compositions for multiple days. Let's create another loop here. Simply check on this field that says Repeat. It will give you a couple of more options. If you want to schedule your content for all days of the week, then click on this checkbox here. Notice that all the 7 days of the week are now highlighted. You can also select the days individually. Let's say I want my composition to play only on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Also, whenever you opt for a repeat, do make sure to set an end date. Finally, select your composition. And then, hit Assign. To see your repeat schedules, go to the monthly calendar view. It will show you a complete picture of all the added schedules. You can also rename your schedule. Once you are satisfied, you can proceed in 2 ways. If you don't want to assign your schedule to a screen immediately, then go to the Save option here. And your schedule will only be saved, somewhat like a draft. Don't worry, you can assign it to a display later. However, if you click on the other option that says, Save and Assign Display, it will take you to the list of your added screens. Here, select the screen where you want your scheduled content to play. Now, click on Assign. Confirm. And that is all. Your job is done. The schedule is now being reflected here. Now if you go to Screens and select the screen assigned with your schedule, you'll get to see all the details of the schedule here. In this way, you can confirm that your composition has been successfully scheduled to the correct screen or group of screens. And that brings us to the end of today's video. I hope you found this session to be helpful. We have interesting videos for all possible issues that you may face while navigating the Pickcel software. If you want help with other similar issues, you can log into www.support.pickcel.com. Thank you so much for watching. And as always, keep enjoying the magic of Pickcel.